Due to the impacts of climate change and unsustainable human activities, coastal areas have been destroyed, resulting in biodiversity loss, loss of their natural protective function, and affects the food sources and livelihood of fisherfolks. The government of the Federal Republic of Germany supports international climate action and biodiversity through the International Climate Initiative, or ICI. The ICI-supported ProCoast project implemented by DENR Biodiversity Management Bureau, GIZ, and other partner organizations and local government units establish centers of learning or proven practices for adapting and rehabilitating coastal ecosystems at local level are showcased and made accessible to interested parties to enhance capacity and knowledge of LGUs, local communities, and other stakeholders to improve coastal protection and resilience management measures. One of the ProCoast Centers of Learning is Katunggan It Ibajay, or KII, a mangrove eco-park with high species diversity. It is tucked between the barangays of Bugtong Bato and Naisod in Ibajay, Aklan. The site once faced numerous threats from illegal loggers, making way for commercial fish ponds. The LGU and community members stepped in to implement protective measures to conserve the mangrove forest. Today, KII boasts high mangrove biodiversity, highlighting the importance of good governance and the establishment of marine protected areas in collaboration with the community. KII is managed by the Ibajay LGU. Partner groups from the local communities such as the Amliganro Katunggan It Naisod Bugtong Bato assists in eco park operations.
As a species, no, isip sabi man na sa 28 species, no, mangroves, may aton patang beach forest, no, mga species. May aton atong mud lobster species, fiddler crab, may mga crab dan kita iyang makita. Tanan wanalos nga nag-istorya sa suba ay makita nimo yung mga species, iba-iba nga species.
Katunggan It Ibajay Eco Park serves the coastal community of Ibajay, Aklan using these effective measures. Mangrove biodiversity. The site is a top learning hub for carbon sequestration, mangrove ecology, and biology. Mangrove Eco Park. There's now easier access around the site with a boardwalk, multi-use function hall, and rest areas. Marine protected area establishment. This enables better fish catch quality and better income in the long run. Training center for mangrove and beach forest management. With a high flora and fauna biodiversity, it is the ideal site for beach forest propagation training. Governance. Stronger law enforcement enhances food security and steady livelihood sources for the community.
Our tourists are mainly composed of students, researchers, and scientists. Halin sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas, ag mga researchers nga ni hay kung amat naghalin pagid sa ibang bansa.
So siguro after it relaunching, no, it aton nga KII ay gusto gid naton mahikayat pero aton nga mga turista pati ro mga researcher nga mag-adto iya at mag-enjoy sa aton nga Katunggan It Ibajay. So may amo nga gina-propose nga mga bagong nga mga amenities, bagong nga mga obrahon iya sa aton nga KII. Mabutang kita it mga kayaking, no? Tapos mabutang pagit kita it aton nga birds watching tower nga makita naton aton nga mga 42 species of birds.
Katunggan It Ibajay Eco Park is one of the 6 learning visit destinations for coastal rehabilitation and protection. The ProCoast project established 5 other centers of learning in Western Visayas to benefit more communities all over. The ProCoast project developed specialized training packages, integrating the best practices from the 6 centers of learning to facilitate capacity development for coastal rehabilitation and protection. These training programs support public and private stakeholders and local communities in sustainably managing their coastal and marine ecosystems. Katunggan It Ibajay Eco Park has come a long way to now becoming a tourist destination and a training center in one. The collaboration with the LGU, local community, academe, and partner groups continues to show that the protection and conservation of habitats and biodiversity is a dedicated team effort.
in behalf of the local government unit of Ibajay and the people's organization nga naga-manage it, Katunggan Eco Park, we are inviting all of you nga mag-visit iya sa amon nga ra nga ginapubuk